Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at SQL Server connection problem. Let's say you've connected to your server management studio and you're trying to connect to a server, but anytime you connect, it takes longer than usual to connect. One thing or one of the solution to it is to go to your configuration manager to check if your services is still running or has been stopped. If it is stopped, you can start it and then your connection problem will be resolved. Let's see if that is the case. So I'll cancel this and then in my search bar I'll type configuration manager. So you can see I have my configuration manager here. Double click it, click on yes. Then let's see if our services is run. Now you can see our SQL Server prod has stopped. To do that, you can right click and then start it, or you can just click on it and then you click on the start button here. I'll click on the start button here and then starting service. So our connection problem should be resolved. If you want to start your server agent the same way, you can click on it and then you start it. Now let's go to our management studio. Okay, now let's try to connect again. Now you can see our connection problem has been solved. So this is one of the ways to always check if you have a connection problem. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. See you in the next one.